can't believe we're already talking about the holidays and thinking about Thanksgiving, but here we are. I don't know about you, but most of my Thanksgiving dinners that we go to or that we're invited to tend to be pretty casual. They're not too fussy, they're not super dressy, and I like to look like I put a little bit of thought into it. I don't want to look like I just rolled out of bed. So I'm going to show you some of my casual Thanksgiving dinner outfit ideas. Happy Thanksgiving! If you're new here, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I hope that you're doing well today. If you like this video and you get some good ideas from it, I hope that at the end, you will think about liking and subscribing, and definitely come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. And we have a lot of fun over there. When I'm putting together a Thanksgiving dinner outfit, something that's gonna be pretty casual, my go-to is usually jeans and a nice top. By the way, definitely check out my video on putting together jeans and a nice top. But I like a top that's gonna give me a little bit of room. I mean, hello, this is an eating holiday, right? I wanna give myself a little bit of room, something that's not super close to the body. I want it to cover a lot of mashed potatoes and turkey and rolls and pie. So I wanna give myself a little bit of room. I wanna give myself an outfit that has a top that's gonna be a little flowy, not super close to the body. So check this one out. Now that top that I just showed looks like it's begging for a necklace, but I will be honest, since I'm probably gonna be part of the dinner making process, I'm probably gonna be part of the cleanup crew, I don't wanna wear many necklaces because I don't want to bend over and have it get in the way. So I generally like to stick with bracelets. If you're an earring girl, definitely put on a great pair of earrings with a top like that. But I will try to link that top for you. I love it. It's one of my favorites. It's just super roomy. It's super cute. It comes in a ton of colors. So hopefully you can grab that with the link that I put in the description below. The next top that I'm going to show you is also super flowy. It's really cute. But I chose this color just in case you use Thanksgiving as your gateway to Christmas. I love that last top, and I love that it's very flowy in front. Anything that you can wear that's flowy in front or has kind of a little peplum in the front, then kind of looks like maybe your belly is kind of poking out on purpose because of the top, instead of looking like you had too much pie. So I love that fun top. And again, you know what? That color is perfect if you and your family are like, finally, Thanksgiving is here so we can start getting ready for Christmas. So that's why I chose that color. And again, that's another example of a top that looks like it's just begging for a necklace. But me personally, I would avoid it just so that it doesn't get in the way of dinner or dishes. Now, I want to show you an outfit that I would put together with this beautiful sweater with a skirt. And you could either wear it like I show it, with a belt, without a belt, however you want to do it. But if you like a skirt and you want a big, bulky sweater and you want to use these great colors for Thanksgiving, here's an idea. This next outfit idea has to do with graphic tees. I love a great graphic tee, but the twist is that it's Thanksgiving. It's time for us to just sit and think about all of the things that we're grateful for. And this tee that I chose is from a company, and I will link it down below. This is not sponsored. This is just one of my favorite places to get faith-based graphic tees. So if you like something that just says, you know what, I'm grateful. I'm grateful for all that I have. It's Thanksgiving. I want to take time to just remember all of the blessings that I have. Then I love this company. And I want to show you this outfit, and then I'll come back and talk about the outfit for just a second. So that graphic tee said fearfully and wonderfully made. If you like that idea and you like great faith-based graphic tees, sweatshirts, that type of thing, I will leave a link in the description below so you can check out that company. I just love them. But did you notice that the tee is kind of an off-white oatmeal color, and then the long cardigan I put over it, also kind of a off-white color, you know, kind of similar. I did that on purpose. You could obviously wear any color pants or jeans, any color graphic tee, any kind of long cardigan. Anytime you put a long cardigan on, it's going to help thin you out. But anytime that you can match some of the pieces and have them be very similar in color, so the graphic tee is kind of similar to the color of the long cardigan, that helps thin you out also. And this is an eating holiday, and I could use all the help I can get because I plan to eat a lot of pie. So anytime you can get like the top and the bottom to kind of be the same tone, like a monochromatic look, the top and the long cardigan, that's going to help thin you out just a little bit more. I can always use all the help I can get. If these outfit ideas were helpful and they inspire you to find something great in your own closet, be sure to let me know. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Definitely think about subscribing and liking this video. I hope to see you back here next time for another video. For now, happy Thanksgiving. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.